Hey guys, so I'm Manpreet Kaur. I started my journey at Reliance as an associate software developer in DevOps, and then I completed my 6 months internship and became the associate software developer. It has been a very great journey, although together, because it was my first stepping stone into the career as a DevOps, and it was kind of my dream job to be in because I'm very much excited towards DevOps, and Reliance was the company that gave me the opportunity to be in such a place so that I can explore all my skills and be an asset to the company. So that's all about me.
Great. And what were the highlights of your internship? Like, what do you enjoy the most?
So my highlight of the internship was firstly the work culture, and the people here are very good. Mostly the seniors, they helped me in each and every task without hesitation. I could have gone to any senior and asked, what is this thing or what is that thing? They were very caring and they helped me a lot during those times. That was the most enjoyable part in my entire internship. As well as in Reliance, we celebrate each and every festival, and that creates a joyous journey among each member of the Reliance family. That's
Great. And how well did the internship align with your expectations when you first started?
So my expectation towards this job role was whatever I've studied in the college is the theoretical part. I wanted to implement each one of that. And here at Reliance, I got the opportunity to do so. With such a great team leader like Divyansh, I was able to implement all those things. And with the support of other team leads as well, I was able to grow myself as a person as well as in the career itself.
And meanwhile, you must have learned some new skills. So, what new skills or knowledge did you acquire during your internship?
So, talking about the new skills, I got to know what is the production setup all about. I not only got to know about the DevOps perspective or AWS perspective as well as the development part as well. I got to know about the Node.js, JavaScript as well as AI part as well, which is one of the most cutting edge technology. Then I got to know about what is the different setup on the local environment, what is testing environment, and what is the production environment. So it was a full-fledged exposure towards me.
Wow, great. And you were talking about the culture. So, I would like to know, like, how would you describe the work environment and team culture at Reliance?
So my work culture is like really, really good because each person is very much supportive here. If you ask out from any person, he definitely be very caring to tell you each thing. He'll first leave his task, he or she maybe. They will leave their task and then they will tell you each and everything. And culture wise, each festival is celebrated. Since we live very far from our house, when festivals are celebrated, it's like a joyous journey for each one of us. And I personally enjoy a lot during the festive seasons. Like last month, we celebrated different festivals, and Christmas also we celebrated. So it was a very good time.
So, did you feel integrated into the team? And did you have opportunities to collaborate with others?
Yes, I firstly each member is very welcoming here. They do not make us feel alienated at any point of time. From the day of joining, I was very much integrated into the Pot Penguin team itself. Other than that, I have worked with different team leads, almost all the team leads in the company itself. I have worked with different teams, and each member is very cooperative with me. And during the lunchtime or during the fun activities, I collaborate with other teams like marketing team or the sales team. They are also very good and they teach me a lot.
Okay. And how well do you think the internship has prepared you for your new role?
So the internship was a bit tough because there was all the new concepts that we needed to implement. So I think it sharpened my skills as well as it helped me grow personally as well, how to take up challenges, how to never give up. I got to know about all these things and it helped me improve my intrapersonal and interpersonal skills as well.
How do you feel about the transitioning into your new role? Like, what are you most looking forward to?
So during the transition into my new role, I was thinking of getting new opportunities to implement. Like I got the access to the production environment, and I was able to see how really those things work. In the internship period, I was mostly towards the testing environment. Now I'm towards the production environment, so it's a really great thing for me. And I think I would like to take Botwing into the new levels so that many customers can enjoy having that experience with us.
And lastly, I would like to know, like, what goals do you have for your new positions and how do you plan to achieve them?
Okay, so my goals are I should keep learning new and new things. Here at Reliance, we are always encouraged to learn new things so that we can grow. So that's a very good thing. So I think each day to learn something new and then we can implement so that our customers could be very happy and so that we can take bot payment to a more different level where each person can be there with the bot payment team like us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Manpreet.
Thank you so much.